Tiff versus Sis! And today we're going to be showing you
Oh no, the cat fell off.
all of our fun. So I'm going to go first, okay? Wait, no, take your time. Okay, I'm going to be showing you these two slides. And we have two of the same ones of this one because it didn't fit in one container. This is activated too much.
Sorry about the background noise.
Where's the towel?
Do you have a phone or towel? No. Do you have a phone in here? Is your phone in here?
Yeah. Yeah.
Where's your phone?
In the blanket.
Oh yeah, you were
I woke up in the middle of the night and started playing it. And then I threw it on the phone before, and then I accidentally got up and on the phone.
maybe it's on the floor.
Okay, yeah, so this is my green one. Well, our green one. And it's a regular slime, not fluffy. And it was overactivated by me. Okay.
There's a background noise. It's not here anymore.
We can add music by editing it.
But yeah. Done.
Silly. Okay, so yeah.
But then they can barely hear us.
We'll go with it. Yeah. I've done it before.
And I'm just getting my son ready. I'm just pushing him. Ready. You can't see them yet.
No.
Mine are kind of like ruined, but not ruined.
There's one that's ruined by somebody who, when I came home, I wanted to play with it. It's a really good one. Like, good hope, yes. Perfection, yeah. I have some green slime on me. We don't have a towel, so yeah, that's good. And we have this purple unicorn one that we made yesterday. Oh, guys.
Alright, Ellen. Sorry, we're just saying bye to our mom.
He's going to work. That's I'm Pierce today. And yeah, so let's move on to the next two by her.
So
The ones that we already did, just put them in.
look how they landed.
But the ones that were done, just put them in the pink bag.
Okay, it's my turn.
Oh,
She's just taking hers off.
should we save the big ones for last and show them together?
Yeah.
So I'll do.
Don't mind the big ones.
Yeah.
So we got I have this slime. It's like the green one. Actually,
Yeah, it is the green one, but we didn't have enough room.
Look, woo! It's a little too activated with activator. Woo! Yeah.
Okay, guys.
So, as we told you, don't mind the background noise.
We're gonna add music, don't worry.
We're talking loud so you can still hear us over the music.
Woo! Yeah!
Don't talk that loud.
Why?
So, and we got this slime. It's ruined, but we're still showing it because
it's still good. It's pretty pink.
it's pretty pink.
Wait, Leah, crunch this one real
Love that word. Sorry, I was just crunching
Our
it.
friend Libby made it.
There we
And
go.
this one,
And that was it. That was it for me.
Put it in the pink basket.
Okay.
Okay.
Should I use this one?
I have a yellow fluffy one that
I tried to get mine out.
made.
Can't get mine out.
That we have everything long and sharp too. Sorry guys. But
Or can I just grab it? Nope, it's gonna rip.
try this. If that doesn't work, then try this. I found it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you this one. We ordered this one.
No!
It's a putty pink slime.
I thought that was the one that you got by surprise or something. Oh no, it's all stuff.
But it kind of dried out. That's okay.
You want your door open or closed?
Closed.
Take and live with me so she doesn't bother you guys. Sorry, Luna. Okay?
It's okay.
You all set?
Yeah.
Luna, the basement door is open, but because the cats keep going up and down, right?
Damien down there.
Oh, Damien's down there. Okay?
Okay, bye.
Be good. You can FaceTime me if you need to.
Yep.
If it doesn't go through, I'll call you back or something. Okay?
Okay.
Leah's right there. Don't push that open like that.
So guys,
Let's go.
sister made
Leave him
this.
alone. Hey. Yeah.
Sorry guys,
We're so sorry.
like legit.
Okay, I'm gonna put this in
So
here.
this one is really good. Like,
This one. Wait. I'm gonna take this one. I like it. Just a little too much activator.
I didn't make that one.
I know.
Somebody else did.
Okay.
And moving on to the next one.
Next ones.
Oops, that didn't work.
I'm here, peeps.
So, I have these two slimes. This one I did not make. Liberty, our friend, made it.
Yeah.
And so I have this slime that I made.
a big one.
I don't know.
Like,
So this one is really tiny because we only had a minimum glue. We only had a little bit of glue.
And we all equally had to share it.
Yeah, we all equally had to share the glue. So
So that was hard. So
So-
don't judge a book by its cover.
so I have this really tiny slime. I made it. It's purple, like my socks. Purple is my favorite color.
Pink is mine. Comment down below which one you like better.
What's your favorite color too?
Ooh.
What?
Mine's rainbow. Don't judge. Unicorns poop it out.
So this one is the one that Liberty made. It's a little too much activator, but it's really cool though, right?
I'm gonna go grab a towel.
Okay. Everybody's gone, so you won't hear anybody talking anymore. And don't mind when somebody said jerks, because like I don't know why. I don't know why she said jerks, but whatever. Okay, we got the towel, and this one is really cool. I really like it. So we're gonna put it away now.
Alright, moving on to mine. Let's put the big ones aside.
Okay. We're gonna show the big size.
Why are you?
last.
Your slime. Okay, this is a tiny slime, so. Tiny slime's over here.
You don't even know there's slime in the bottle.
Tiny slime. I just knew that.
Okay, her turn.
Big slime. Tiny slime.
how can I do this tiny slime? And this one.
Okay, so
I'm gonna do
I
this.
have my little thing here to get it out, which is our friend Liberty made this. So
Ooh, this one's dry.
we make good ones. She kind of overacts, activates it.
That's okay though.
Comment down below if you want to see us mixing all of our slimes together. Not all of them, but some, because we don't
Not
really.
Libby's because she'll get mad.
We leave her slimes here because she just left the house because she
Fight?
had to leave.
The fight.
No, remember she had her sleepover last night.
Oh
She had to
yeah.
go. Remember, silly. We had to watch her because her parents went somewhere, and then she's not allowed to have slime in the house, so we have to keep it here. So yeah, this is her slime. Really good. You can't really make bubbles though with it.
I want to see what this one is. Because I might do this one.
Okay.
Ooh.
Let's just get the cloud slimes over with.
Okay.
It's just like, okay.
Don't mind, we're having a conversation.
Okay, so I have a cloud slime here. I don't want to touch it. So, I ordered this and it was a fail, so yeah.
Oh, I want to do these two. Oh, especially this one. This one's so cool.
Yeah, fail.
Oh.
Definitely.
And then you'll have to put the back.
Oh no. Good thing I got a towel.
Usual.
It's when you smell. Guys, follow us on
Music.
Roblox.
And music.
And yeah. So, it's just
We'll
cool.
put our names in the comment section below.
Yes. And say yes.
Or in the link in this description.
Down below.
I would put it in the link description.
Done. Okay, let me clean my mess up.
KK. Why do I keep on saying KK? So weird.
You're weird.
I mean that in a good way.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to do these two, and now can I do these two?
One. Yeah.
And then you do these two.
Sure.
I think that's good. Or not. I need like water to dry that off. We should have done this on a table. Next time we do this, we're probably gonna do this again. Should we start and do it on the table?
So, next round.
We're gonna do another one that is on the table. So don't mind if you see this. I'm sorry. So I have two slimes here. You could see one, but you can't see one.
I'm
So,
gonna do.
I'm gonna put it right here. I want that one. This one? Can I have one of those? Okay. Okay, we're just figuring this out. So this is cloud slime, as you could tell. It was like fail. I hate cloud slime.
Don't even take it out.
It's disgusting.
Throw it.
Cloud slime is ew.
No, I ordered that one on Wish, so that's why. It came from China, so they probably melted.
Ew.
Guys, it's spring and it's still snowing.
Oh,
Yeah, we live in Vermont.
If you don't live in Vermont, wow.
So if we live in Vermont and
Hey!
you guys live in Vermont, you can just come see us maybe sometimes at Peachy Park or the library.
You might be able to see one of us sometimes
Yeah,
because we're not always together.
because she usually goes to our Grammys, our other Grammys, our other Grammys. Ow.
No, our other mom.
Huh?
You mean other mom? Two moms. So this slime is pink. It stretches far, but then
Squish.
she takes it. She's the pink master.